Wesbanco offers various credit card options with different benefits to suit your financial needs. Here's a general guide with 6 steps to help you through the application. Step 1. Explore Wesbanco's credit card options. Visit the Wesbanco website. Navigate to the Personal or Loans and Credit Cards section and find the Credit Cards page. Review the available credit cards. Wesbanco typically offers cards with features like rewards points, cashback, low introductory April, or balance transfer options. Compare the benefits, annual fees, interest rates, APRs, and other terms of each card to determine which one best aligns with your spending habits and financial goals. Step 2. Check eligibility requirements. While specific eligibility criteria can vary by card, generally you'll need to be a US resident, be at least 18 years old, and have a valid Social Security number, SSN, or Individual Taxpayer Identification Number, ITIN. Wesbanco will also review your credit history to assess your creditworthiness. Having a good to excellent credit score will increase your chances of approval for most of their cards. Step 3. Gather your necessary information. Before starting the application, collect the following information. Personal information, your full legal name, date of birth, current residential address, previous address, if applicable, phone number, and email address. Financial information, your employment status, employer name and address, if employed, occupation, gross annual income, and monthly housing payment, rent or mortgage. Identification. You likely need to provide your SSN or ITIN. You might also need to have your driver's license or other government-issued ID handy for reference. Step 4. Complete the credit card application. Online application. This is usually the most convenient method. 1. Go back to the Wesbanco credit card page you found in Step 1. 2. Select the specific credit card you want to apply for. 3. Click on the Apply Now or a similar button. 4. Carefully fill out the online application form with all the required information you gathered in Step 3. In-person application. You may also have the option to visit a local Wesbanco branch and apply for a credit card in person with a bank representative. Step 5. Review your application. Before submitting, take a moment to carefully review all the information you have entered to ensure it is accurate and complete. Any errors could delay the processing of your application. Read the terms and conditions associated with the credit card you are applying for, including the interest rates, fees, and cardholder agreement. Step 6. Submit your application. For online applications, click the Submit button to send your application electronically to Wesbanco. For in-person applications, hand your completed form to the bank representative. After submitting your application, Wesbanco will review it, which typically includes a credit check. You will be notified of their decision, usually by mail or email, within a certain time frame. If approved, your new credit card will be mailed to your provided address.